This is the Model C Sentinel daily dose for the pre-market of Wednesday, March 25th, 2026. System identity. The Model C Sentinel version 16.4 pullback spec dashboard is online. Precision protocols are active. Disclaimer: this briefing is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not financial advice. Tactical orders are generated by a quantitative model. Current status: no entry, full stop. Red zone. Lockout protocol active. Section 1. Vital signs. First, the smooth volatility Z-score. The market remains incredibly erratic. Our smooth vol Z dropped slightly from Monday's peak, but still closed at a highly toxic 1.22. We remain securely locked inside the red zone. Second, the VIX. The structural fear gauge re-accelerated, rising from 26.15 to close at 26.95. Third, liquidity. Institutional breadth continues to slowly bleed out. The tide ratio remains completely paralyzed at 0.85. Fourth, the bear probability score. Internal systemic risk is actively rising again, ticking up from 35 to 40%, holding at transitional stress. Section 2. The forensic analysis. Yesterday was the ultimate proof of why we do not negotiate with the math. On Monday, the QQQ flashed a green relief rally, and discretionary traders everywhere suffered from immense FOMO. They bought the dip, assuming the worst was over. But the version 16.4 Sentinel system refused to lower its shields. The volatility Z-score warned us that the price action was structurally chaotic, and the core engine hard-locked the portfolio in 100% cash. Yesterday, that trap was sprung. The dead cat bounce completely failed. The indices rolled over, the VIX spiked back up to nearly 27, and the retail traders who bought Monday's bounce were instantly trapped in a losing position. If you look at the dashboard today, the system's logic is perfectly intact. The QQQ is now sitting at an 8% drawdown from its highs. The internal bear probability score is rising. The institutions are not accumulating shares. They are simply whipping the market up and down to harvest option premiums from retail traders. Section 3. Tactical command. The tactical command on the dashboard is absolute. Lockout protocol active. Vol Z is greater than 1.0. Max positions: 0. Number 1. The wood chipper continues. The market is operating strictly as a wealth destruction machine right now. The Vol Z score of 1.22 mathematically guarantees that the intraday chop is lethal. Number 2. The system is flawless. We successfully bypassed Monday's fakeout, and we bypassed Tuesday's sell-off. Cash is the ultimate defensive weapon in a midterm correction. Number 3. Hold the line. Your net liquidity is perfectly preserved at $13,681. We do not try to guess the bottom. We will let the market makers continue their games, and we will wait for the tide ratio to cross 1.0 before deploying a single dollar. End of briefing.